Ni Governor Michael Marcos Quion, hindi pa nakarismaya ng kariti sumagmam ng Papay Dablan Hospital. Kalpasan di pupusay ni Provincial Administrator Gervasio Velasco. Ngamin na direct report anawat ni Gobernador asarang nataming nasayat ni Velasco, idi meserek itinaso ang ospital. Tiretalye, manipod ka ni Munat Soriano.
Nang tedeng reaction ni Ilocos Norte Governor Michael Quion, seknan ti biglang ipupusay ni Provincial Administrator Gervasio Velasco. Kalpasan ti sumagmanong aldaw apan nagulinek na. Imo na kadigtidin nilaw ti gobernador delegasyon nga awan insigida ng taming nga doktor kay Velasco apaman na netaray daytoy ti ospital. Imbatad na kasapulan na may investigar ang nalaing daytoy.
There was nobody present. There was nobody to attend to him, neither a nurse nor a doctor. And he even had to walk around the hospital trying to look for somebody to attend to him. Dapat there should have been an officer on duty, a doctor on duty. I'm under the impression that there is always a doctor on duty. Where was that doctor? That doctor should have been on duty.
Tupay kastawan met imbatad ti gobernador apan sa kadigdi sino man na maduktalan nga datiliway na tinaso pasamak. Seknan ito'y saan ang naliklikan na mayriing tinabayagan a plan ti gobernador ang mapasaya ti serbisyo tinaso ospital. Inpatalgad na ang itikabitin a panawen ket may implementar tunda ito'y. May nagkadkad ang may detali kadigit aramiden na awagas ti panakapasaya ti serbisyo ti ospital. Malagid na ti kalabes ada digiti sa magmuno reklamo seknan ti saan anapinas a serbisyo ti Ablan Hospital.
All of these things that people are saying that we have seen in reference to the provincial hospital, this is all part of a greater picture of a need to really overhaul the provincial hospital. And that's coming. That's already coming now. Very soon.
At papanitawan pa iti plano ti gobernador nga isukat, tinabakan ti aposisyon, ti pimusay ani Provincial Administrator Velasco. Inbatad na kasapulan na ti nga oras, apan nangadal kadaytoy.
Actually, as of now, no. So all of those rumors that you're hearing, and you're hearing many rumors about me, forget about all those rumors, because they're just rumors. Okay?
Munat Soriano, Patrol, ti Pilipino.